Hey guys, so it is Saturday night and did work out today. Ventured out to Walmart. Wasn't as bad as I thought, but I didn't go to the big Walmart. I went to my neighborhood Walmart. Still spent way too much money than what I planned to spend. So I decided to do my face because I'm gonna go meet my friends at the club tonight. I'm not leaving the house. We are still in quarantine, isolation type deal, but my friends and I do go to events and interact with each other as if we were actually in the club. It's the best we could do right now. We are trying to use our imaginations. We are reaching back into our childhoods to figure out what games we played that prepared us for this type of damn situation, because something we did had to have prepared us. I mean, but what I wanted to come on here and talk about with you guys right now is Sephora. So this whole time in self-isolation, quarantine, whatever, we're just gonna call it quarantine, as bad as it sounds, as bad as it makes me feel when we say quarantine. For the duration since March 15th, we'll say for sure, my family has been in lockdown. We've had opportunities to come and go, and so that was when people were stockpiling toilet paper and bleach and paper towels, and I'm not sure, maybe they were making balms, haven't figured that out yet. But what I realized was how much money I'm not spending when I go to work, because going to work is hella expensive. Alright, my nose is itching. So the gas that I would spend each month when I would go to work, whether it was me making food at home and then taking to work to eat, or buying food where I work, you can have cafeterias within, and it's kind of expensive. So I could easily have spent $20 a day, roughly. And so being at home has allowed me to save quite a bit of money. And up until probably April, when did the VIB sale start? So right around April 13th, so a month being in the house, I didn't want to spend any money. I like the idea of the amounts in each of my bank accounts increasing. But on the 13th, something really just kind of clicked, like, hey, let's just go see what Sephora has on, you know, the app. Should not have done that. I'm sorry if my blush and bronzer is a little aggressive. I haven't done makeup in a month, so please forgive me. And I started perusing and putting stuff in my shopping cart. I will show you right now on my phone. Let's see if it will focus on that. Right now there are 27 things in my shopping cart. At one point there was about 35 things. And what I did when I realized I had 35 things, I just shut it down, closed it, left it alone for like a day or so. Went back, looked at the shopping cart, and noticed a couple things had actually sold out. I was removing items, sometimes adding items as I removed, but that's a vicious cycle that I have to deal with. I'm just looking to see if there's anything else I want. Why? I just need to buy and get out. But I tried to make this a quick video. I know a lot of people have the recommendations out, and I just want to talk about what I was thinking, not necessarily a recommendations, but kind of like a, hey girlfriend, help me not spend all my money. I want to talk about the things that I was eyeballing. There was the Divine Rose from Pat McGrath. When it came out, I wasn't interested. But the fact that it was a discount and they didn't have it during the 25% off on Pat McGrath's actual website made me interested. Had it in my cart, didn't buy it, sold out. So right now, just looking at it, I've got the VIB Beauty Agave Lip Mask in the color Buzzed. It's like a rose gold pearl shade. Then I was looking at the Lancome Hypnose Doll Lashes. I love the Hypnose Drama, which is no, this is Hypno Star. This thing's old. I need to get rid of this. Then I saw a Kat Von D brow powder on sale. So I'm going to pick that up. I know a lot of people really don't F with Kat right now. Y'all need to get over it. It is real stuff happening outside, and y'all worrying about what she do with her baby. Like, for real. I think that's why y'all mad at her. And if y'all are, let that shit go. Then I saw this Youth to the People Exfoliating Toner and something else. What is this bad boy? This ain't even from my skin type. I'm going to do me a solid and take this out my basket. How about that? Look at there. The Hum Nutrition Red Carpet Skin and Hair Supplements. I've been wanting to try these. I'm trying to do really well with taking a vitamin every day. So I'm going to go ahead and keep these in my cart. They are for glowing skin and shiny hair. A blackcurrant seed oil. Sound good, so we're going to get that. Next, I have another mascara, the Benefit Batgirl Bang Volumizing Mascara. I had a baby sample of this. No, I didn't. I wanted to buy it, and I was like $13 for a deluxe sample, or was it $20? Either way, it was just too high to justify me paying for it, so I didn't get it. So I will get the full size one on a discount. Then I want to try some body oils because, you know, I'm working out. I don't know about everybody else. I hope you're being safe and healthy, but I am not trying to walk out of quarantine looking like a box of cereal or the bag inside the box. Either way, I'm not trying to look like that. So I am going to order me some body oils, try them out. This is the Sol de Janeiro Glow Motions body oil in the color Carnival Queen. It's like a pink golden glow. I don't know. I wanted to try it. It looked pretty, so it's in there. Then we got a couple, well, I say a couple. It's like 2 things that are going to be replenishing stuff that I ran out of. I was about to say backups. Not backups, because I'm about to be out. So the Clinique 7-Day Scrub. I am getting that. It's a facial scrub. Glow Recipe actually just released a new Watermelon Glow Pore Tightening Toner. We at home, working on the skincare, getting back into the habit of doing all of my toner, serums, oils, moisturizer, sunscreen. I gotta protect this skin. I want to be able to keep fooling y'all on how old I am. And then here's another body oil type of deal. This is from Fenty, the Mini Body Lava in Who Needs Clothes. Now I saw way back, I think when this first released, that this was sticky. I think that's what people were saying. I still want to try it. I ain't gonna lie. So I got the mini version of that. Probably will just use that and move on with my life and say I did it. So something else that I'm replacing is the Clarasonic Skincare Brush Heads. It's a 2-pack. At every sale, I get at least one of these 2-packs so that I have enough brush heads to last me until the next sale. It's $44. If I can get it 20% off, that's what I'm going to do. So, big ticket item. For the first time, I am actually going to break down and get a Drunk Elephant product, the TLC Baby Facial. I had a small, and I'm looking for it, but I probably threw it away because it was a travel deluxe size. Tried it, still looking. I don't have it. I don't know why I keep looking for it. But I really like the way it made my skin feel, so it's $80, which is why I was hesitant on buying it. But I'm going to break down and get that. And then I have 2 of the Fresh Sugar Hydration Lip Balms. I love the caramel color, flavor, scent. We're going to go with color. Well, they have a watermelon one and a, where's the other one? Blood orange. So I'm going to get both of those. What else am I picking up? It's a lot right now. I got narrowed it down to 26 items. I feel like I'm doing good. So here's an item I don't need. I just really want the Pat McGrath Labs, so you already know. But it's actually the Mini Populist Lip Gloss Trios. This is the limited edition Sublime Sparkle in Lavender Ring, Dreamscape, and Naked Rose. There was actually another one that didn't come in a set that I was going to get full size. And then, where are we at? Foreo. I've been wanting to try a Foreo. How are they describing this thing? It is a ultra hygienic cleansing device. So I am going to pick up the Luna Mini. I mean, I have my Clarasonic, so I don't necessarily need, but sometimes I don't want to use the Clarasonic, and this would be a good thing to swap in and out on. So it's like doing something new, so I'm going to be interested in doing it. Another brand that when you hear the name, you're going to be like, what? Yes, Tatcha. So I'm trying to think, what have I tried from Tatcha? I don't even know. But I've been wanting to try their, what is this thing called? The Silk Canvas, and then their Deep Cleanser. I know they have that water cream. I'll give it a shot. We'll see. Of course, I'm going to pick up Beauty Blenders. They have this Rosy Posy, their purple, pink, and lavender shades. So I'm going to pick that up. I think it also comes with a soap. And then another thing I found on sale is a Voluspa. Is that how you say that? Voluspa diffuser. And the scent, fragrance of white currants. I think I like white currants. We will find out. It was on sale. Couple boring things. 8 green skin tablets. Not sure what this does, but I've been eyeballing it forever, and I want to try it. Let's see. Hydrate, healthy skin, natural energy, a radiant skin, a dissolving tablet of 8 greens of glowing, healthy looking skin, complexion boosting benefits from marine collagen and green tea biotin. I'm here for it. Clear skin, healthy skin, I'm all in. Pat McGrath Labs lip gloss is still available. Imagine that. So it's in the shade Bronze Seduction or Seductress. I know I don't have to get it, but I am not really interested in putting it back. My problem, I know. So another boring item is the Shiseido facial cottons. I try to stock up on these. Normally, now that I know that they have them, pop up every now and again at TJ Maxx. That's where I would get them, but I can't go to TJ Maxx, so we're getting them with a discount at Sephora. And then I am getting the Fenty Gloss Bomb in Chocolate. That's what it was. There was a Fenty Minis Gloss Bomb set that I was going to get, but that sold out. Next we have the Pat McGrath Labs Concealer Brush. Not that I need another brush, but it's a nice to have. I'm not going to lie. All this stuff just jumped in the cart. I'm not really sure who put it in, but that's why I haven't actually hit. And the last thing in here, I think I've gone through everything, is the Diamond Balm All Over Veil in Cognac Candy. Not sure how good this is going to look on my skin per se, like on my face or whatever, but on my body, I think this is going to be a banger. So before I actually hit purchase, I'm going to go over to Rakuten. I almost called it Ebates because that's what it used to be called. Rakuten. Go through their site, log in online, and then make this purchase so that I can also then get a couple dollars back. Probably end up getting about $13 back, but anything counts. I feel like there's some other things that I would like to have, but I don't need. That's why I'm really not trying to replace the eyeshadow palette that I'm not getting. I thought about getting that Natasha Denona Love palette. I thought about getting the 420 or the greens palette from Melt Cosmetics. Even getting the Rust palette. I didn't realize that they had released the Rust palette. I remember way back, like, they had the Rust stack, and I was like, man, I really want to get that. But I think I have so many palettes with those colors that I don't need that. I'm trying to think if there's anything else in there that I want. I don't think so. I'm going to wait again, and then in the morning, if it's still there, I'm going to go through the list again. I'm going to try to pare it down some more because that's a lot. It just really is. And there's a couple other things that I would have liked to have picked up, like some essences, which are $100. Oh, child. So I would have to like really take out 4 things that are $25 for one $100 thing. Can't justify that. I mean, I could, but it just doesn't seem right. If you picked up something, let me know and go crazy at the Sephora sale type video. I appreciate you listening to me ramble, talk about all the crap that I have thrown into this cart. We're probably going to end up with the face scrub, the lip balms, and like whatever was on sale, the diffuser and the brow powder. And I'm going to feel like a winner because the money's going to be in the bank. Do not take this as a video of me bragging that I put 36,000 things in my cart, because you can put 36,000 things in your cart. It's all about what you spend your money on, and spend wisely, because we don't know what's happening outside, and you don't know how long you're going to need to have that money in your account, which is why I haven't hit purchase. I want to thank you for just actually watching this crazy ass video, because I've been all over the place, and I'm gonna go meet my friends at the club. You know what I'm saying? Now I ain't gonna drink, but they don't have to know that.